How to set up affiliate links on TikTok. To get started, join an affiliate program that offers links for products or services you want to promote, such as Amazon Associates. Affiliate links and product promotions are easier with TikTok business accounts, so you want to make sure to create a TikTok business account. For that, head over to your TikTok profile, tap on the three dots, and select Manage Account to switch to a business account. Now browse the affiliate platforms for products related to your TikTok content. Copy the unique affiliate link that's given for each product. TikTok allows only one clickable link in the bio. To add your affiliate link, go to your TikTok profile, tap Edit Profile, and paste the affiliate link in the website section. You can use a URL shortener to make the link clear and more manageable. While TikTok does not allow clickable links directly in video caption, you can still direct viewers to your bio link by including a call to action like check out the link in my bio for more options. In this way, you can easily set up an affiliate link on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.